What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you are very much welcome. Here we do skincare videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a review on a product that is basically appropriate for both dark skin, light skin, chocolate skin, caramel skin, whatever skin tone you have. Just sit down and watch. Let's see what I have for you guys. So before we get right into it, if this is your first time of stumbling on this channel, you are very much welcome, and please consider subscribing, consider turning on your notification bell after you subscribe so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you do enjoy this video, please don't go without giving it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. So I will be reviewing DH7. This is an amazing product that is I find it very interesting when I have to review products that work for both light skin and dark skin. So if you stumble on this video and you caramel skin, light skin, dark skin, chocolate skin, dark brown, dark, that's fine. You can use this product provided the skin tone you are having. Okay, now let's talk about those who have light skin. If you are light skin because you bleached your skin or you lightened up your skin, then this product might not be the best for you, except otherwise, which I'm going to be explaining at some point in this video. But if you were originally light skin, don't bother. This product is not going to darken your skin. This product is not going to make your skin look dull. Rather, this product is going to give you some vibrant appearance. Like, it's going to make you boost up your complexion. So the product I'm talking about is DH7. I don't know if any of you have heard about this product, but I guess you should have heard about this product, or you might have stumbled on a video relating to this product on YouTube, because the product has been in the market for a while. Like, it's been for a while, and personally I have used this product, and I'm talking from a place of experience. I have used this product. That is why I can stand and tell you any skin tone can use this product. Now, first things first, this product is made in France. It is a French brand, and DH7 is broad. DH7 is just the name of the brand. I don't know, should I say the name of the brand? DH7 is the name of the product, but under DH7 you have different ranges. Like this particular one, the particular one I'm talking about is what I'm going to be leaving up in on the screen here. This is the one I have used. This is the one I can talk about because I have experienced it on my skin. Now, if you're wondering, the ingredients in this product are all natural, no harsh chemicals, no hydroquinone. Trust me, if I'm reviewing the products here that has hydroquinone, I'm gonna let you know, because you all have to be responsible for your decisions. I just have to tell you what is in the product. The product doesn't contain any hydroquinone. Very mild and basic ingredients, and suitable for the body and for the face. I'm gonna do my best to leave the website where you can shop this product. Go to their website, read about it, watch online, check reviews before making your decisions. Try to be informed. Don't just come on here and watch a video and boom, you jump in to get the product. Go to their website. I'll leave the website below, and probably they ship worldwide. I'm assuming they ship worldwide. Per the time I ordered this product, they were shipping worldwide. I don't know if it has changed. The product comes in a 500 ml. And the good thing about this product is that it can be used on both body and face. Now, on the packaging of this product, it says lightening, éclaircissant, as in French, which means, I think it means lightening, and lightens up your skin. Not whitening, lightening. But believe you me that this product doesn't lighten the skin. I used this product on my skin when my skin was actually still very soft. When I say, like, should I say virgin skin? What I mean by that is that I had not tampered with a lot of skin lightening products on my skin. That is to say, my skin was still at a stage where it could easily lighten up or brighten up. But this product did not lighten up my skin. This product did not give me even up to a shade for the period of time I used it. I used the product for about 2 months or 3 months, 2.5 to 3 months. And what I achieved with this product was just a uniform complexion. It basically tried to even out my skin tone. It didn't lighten me. It didn't whiten me. It didn't bleach my skin. It didn't give me dark knuckles. It did not give me stretch marks. No negative side effects with this product. The only negative side effects will be that it did not lighten my skin, because I was hoping that it was going to lighten my skin. That's basically the only bad side that's the only bad thing I know about this product. But sorry about that, guys. So I was saying that if you are going out to buy this product because you're expecting to lighten up your skin, then you will be disappointed, because like I said, the only negative effect I had with this product is that it didn't lighten up my skin. What did it do for my skin, or what did it do to my skin? Basically evened out my skin tone, added some amount of glow to my skin, and I honestly think this product is very suitable for beginners, those who are aiming to lighten their skins in the future, but they want to start gradually so they get good results. You can start this with this product. This product is amazing. I got the lotion, the soap, and the serum. That was fine. No harsh chemicals, no hydroquinone, no steroids. Like, there's even no kojic acid in this product. They say it's made of Vitaclear and some other very basic ingredients, trust me. So there was nothing that was really so, I don't know, so bad about there was nothing bad about the product. Not like so bad, there was nothing bad about the product, and it was quite affordable, very affordable. I'm sure you're going to get this product for less than 20 euro for a 500 ml, and that's the thing. You can use it on your face and your body. That's fine. I didn't get any uneven skin tone or dark knuckles or whatever. My skin was pretty much uniform, but for the fact that my skin was not lightening up, and I'm happy, because I always say than for a product to damage your skin, it's better for that product to not do what you were expecting. But I was amazed at how glowy my skin was becoming. It was really a good experience, and I just thought it wise to share it with you guys. Yes, I use the product, but I used the product a long time ago. It's not today, a long time ago, like I said, when I was just venturing into skin lightening and skin brightening or whatnot. So that was it. I'll leave all the information regarding this product in the description box, and do well to check their website before you buy. Don't go and buy when you haven't read about it. Read about it. You might even want to try another range, not the exact one that I used. And if you do enjoy this video, please don't go without giving it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And please share my video with your friends so we all can learn and learn together on a budget. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell if you have subscribed to this channel. That is the only way you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. I will see you in my next video. If you have any video suggestions, please leave them in the comment section. Let's talk. And if you are new in the building, leave a comment below. Let me officially welcome you to this channel. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Stay blessed.